life on a dairy farm. Many people have asked what it's like to live on a real working dairy farm, and I can tell you it's very different than life in the suburbs or the city. Because we're a dairy farm, we have lots and lots of cows, and taking care of those cows every day takes a lot of hard work and working together. There are many jobs that have to get done each and every day to make sure the cows are well cared for. Feeding them, watering them, and milking them happen every single day. Milking takes place twice a day and generally takes about 3 hours each time. There are usually 2 people in the parlor who work together to sanitize the cows, hang on the automatic milkers, and make sure the entire milking process goes smoothly. Each cow on average produces about 8 gallons of milk a day, and we milk about 160 cows. So can you figure out how many gallons we make in a day? Once that automatic milker is hung on, the milk travels from the collection tubes, through pipes and filters, and eventually to the bulk tank, where it is chilled and stored. The bulk tank can hold up to 2,000 gallons of milk and is right where we fill our family milk bottle. Our family only drinks about a gallon every 2 days, so we need the milk truck to come each and every day to pick up the rest.
Hi, my name is Jackson and I'm 11. I'm a 4th generation dairy farmer. My pappy's dad was the first in our family to start milking cows, and my pappy took over and grew the business after him. Then my dad decided he wanted to become a dairy farmer, so after he got finished college, he came home to work with my pappy. They have been working together ever since, and now they have me and my brother to help. I'm not sure if I'm going to be a dairy farmer or not. My favorite thing is driving all the equipment. Not many people can do that. I can drive skid loader and tractor and really like helping my dad work in the fields using the equipment. I also love playing basketball, so I might be a professional basketball player. But who knows, maybe I'll have my own landscape business someday. I don't love milking cows or feeding the calves either, so whenever I can, I'll try to make sure I leave those jobs to my brother.
Hi, I'm Luke, and I'm 8. We've been living here on the farm next door to Nanny and Pappy since I was 4. I can't imagine living anywhere else. I mean, yeah, it's sometimes a lot of work, but for being a kid my age, it makes me strong, and really all the work we do is just fun. I love the cows and calves and our dogs and all the cats we have around the farm. I guess I'm an animal guy like my dad. The other thing that's great about living on a farm is all the space we have around to play football and baseball. Sometimes we play at the end of the day in the orchard until the sun goes down, and that's my favorite part of the day. I'm starting 4-H this year. I've been working with my calf Josie, and I've been feeding her every morning and washing her and walking her. I'm excited about taking her to the fair this year. I'm not sure if I'll be a farmer when I grow up because I really like football, and as a child I see how much work I've been doing and how much my dad does every single day. But you never know, I might change my mind and someday come back home to work with my dad again.
I'm sure you can tell from this video that living on a real working dairy farm is both challenging and beautiful all at the same time. Yes, it takes a lot of time and a lot of hard work to care for this land and all the animals we have here. But what we find is that when we work together to do it, it really is a great experience for us all. We hope to continue to work together as a family to care for all the animals and all the crops here on our farm, and hope to do it for many more years to come.